Hey Brickheads, Scott with 36 Bricks here, and we are checking out all 5 of LEGO Advent Calendars Day 2. Let's check it out. Alright guys, yet again, starting things off with the city set. Flip this around. Really like the platform on here to play with. That looks really cool. Let's check out Day 2. Alright, so it looks like this might be like a bus stop of sorts, maybe a helicopter center. Oh. Or, oh, maybe a gas station. No, I think it's a gas station. Alright guys, so there you have it. There you have it. A nice little, what looks to be like maybe a city gas station, like a car wash. Very cool set. Very intricate. I love the detail on it. And then it comes with 2 extra pieces, one of these and one of these. Awesome stuff. Let's check out Star Wars. Pull this out, and it looks like a nice little starfighter. And there we have it, guys. Nice little, I'm assuming a little nice starfighter. Again, I don't know a whole lot about Star Wars, I apologize. But it looks like a very cool build. Could be a very cool addition to a toy store. Or maybe just a collector, like if you were to build a modular collectibles store. Really cool stuff. I like that. Alright guys, moving on. to the friends line. Rocking out this little build. It looks like it's might be a little robot. It's interesting. Like a kitchen appliance robot, something like that. Let's see. Alright, very cool. So it's similar, I would say, to a snowman. Maybe a snowman on some wheels, maybe look like. It's kind of hard to see. I will say, I love this right here. If you guys can't tell what that is a pink remote control to like an Xbox or PlayStation, something like that. I really love that. I really love that piece. It's kind of weird that it goes in with this set, but that's okay. And then we have a bunch of leftover pieces. Awesome stuff. Moving on to Harry Potter. Harry Potter Day 2. Alright, so it looks like we have a minifigure, and we have the signature minifigure of this set, which is really cool. Let me build him real quick. I'm a little disappointed that there's not like a wand or, you know, something else that goes with this minifigure, but that's okay. If you remember about Tony Stark posting in the video yesterday, it came with, you know, gadgets and blasters and all that kind of fun stuff, so I'm really kind of disappointed in that, but nevertheless, this is a really cool minifigure. Last but certainly not least, Avengers. We're going to pop this out, and what do we have here? We just have some winter pieces. Alright, so there's really, okay, so there's really nothing to build here. It's literally just an accessory pack. I know yesterday, or day one, we had Tony Stark, so it's rather interesting that they literally just threw in an accessories pack here. That's cool. I love these blue accessories packs, but kind of wish there was a build. There's really nothing to build, so that's very, very disappointing. Alright guys, so there you have it. Day 2 in the books. We have a nice little car wash. We have a starfighter. We have a what looks to be a robotic snowman, game-playing snowman. We have Harry Potter, and then, of course, just the blasters that goes with Tony Stark. A little disappointed on those, to be honest, but nevertheless, all in good fun. So there you have it, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you next time on 36 Brix. Hey Brickheads, Scott with 36 Brix here, and I just want to give a special thank you to all my Patreon and YouTube members. It really does mean a lot that you guys are investing in me and my channel, and I am super excited that you love everything that we're doing on the channel. So thank you guys so much. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you like my content and want more, you can sign up with my memberships on both Patreon and YouTube, and we will see you next time on 36 Brix.
Ooh, this one's cool. Check this one out.
I agree, that one's cool.
This one's awesome. Ooh, I like this one. I just can't stop watching.
Well, I like them all, and I'm going to subscribe. Can you do the same? Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on 36 Brix.